Hi, today I show you the second part of the coffee app. Here we see how the app is structured. At the top is a line where I have entered the categories name, drink, milk and sugar. For this I have added the element row to the container. There I can define how many cells I want to have. The area below is structured in the same way, but here I have changed the content and the area repeat with is connected to the data variable coffee data1. This variable is connected to the cloud backend. The approve button is supposed to delete a record from the backend later, and for this I have added the confirm dialog to make sure I don't delete anything by mistake. Get record and delete record, as well as the toast that says job done, which shows me the logic has been executed. If I go to data, you can see that I have only connected one data source via the business technology platform. And there we can see that if I go to data, you can see that I have only connected one data source via the business technology platform. And there we can also see directly which fields are available to us. I have defined the app variables in the variables, just like in the app where I placed the order. Then I created the variable data and that's it. If you work a bit with SAP Build Apps, it becomes more and more intuitive. If you work a bit with SAP Build Apps, it becomes more and more intuitive and easier to build new apps. So here, as everywhere, practice makes you perfect. Now we will test it again in the whole run. I hope this video helps you with your development. Have fun and see you next time.